Today we're going to be replacing this driver's side seat trim cover panel in this 2013 Ford F-150. Tools required: T20, T45, a 7mm with an extension. I love my pry tools as well as my trim. I like to start behind the driver's seat. We're going to come in here, move this little flap up, and we'll expose our 7mm right there. Remove that first. Careful in letting that drop down to the bottom. Remove this, simply push it up. Typically this would be set right here in the middle. You would just have to push it out as well. Remove your clips. Push it in, out. And you want to come in here and identify your T20. Go ahead and remove that T20. And we're gonna come in here. Typically there's a clip right there. You have to remove that, as well as you simply come in here and there's a plastic holding onto that little metal bar. I want to go ahead and pry that. Pretty much all loose. You simply want to come in here with your T45. Seatbelt. As you guys seen, mine was broken, so it was a lot easier, but I still need this step to install a new one. Now that we have our new one, I'm going to go ahead and start off by putting in the seatbelt. Go ahead and line this up. Remember, there's a plastic clip tab right there. You gotta line that up. Feed our cables through. And I like to go ahead and get that T20 in. Come in here, push that plastic in. Then feed that clip through. And that click, close this off. Remember to push this up and over, and then follow these clips in through. Connect our connectors. Hear that click and that click. Through and over. There's two clips under here. Make sure those are fully seated in. And now we are good to go.